Phil, the Brummie that hails from Birmingham, England, and a very, very warm welcome to Change, Tips and Tools. Now, I set up this YouTube channel a couple of years ago, so I thought I'd do a fresh intro video. Now, I set this channel up to pass on my 30 years of change expertise and experience to the next generation of professionals, and also to help those PMOs and project managers who may be struggling with a problem, to help them also. In fact, this channel's for anyone that wishes to brush up on their technical skills. Oh, fundamentally, and fundamentally is my favourite word, by the way, it's for everyone. If you want to learn Excel and take yourself from beginner through to advanced, or even learn Power Query and Power Pivot, or learn how to effectively use SharePoint on a day-to-day basis, and even use the power of Power BI to effectively visualize and interact with your data for your stakeholders, or learn how to build a project plan from scratch, fully resourced. Well, this is definitely the channel for you. There are hundreds of videos on this channel showing you how to best utilize Microsoft products in real-world scenarios. So go on, check them out. I'm sure you can find something that's going to help you. And as always, I wish you an absolutely wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Now, please take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video from Change, Tips and Tools. Bye bye now.